Hello everyone, hello, welcome. Into this tutorial today, we are going to be solving this question under differential equation. So we are given this equation and we are asked to solve it. So now what do we say to say that this is differential equation? Is this dy over dx, right? That is derivative. Now if you want to solve it, you should know that you need to do revision on your knowledge of integration, how you can integrate functions. Now here, this type of questions is going to be taking the form of this I have here. So you are going to transform this differential equation into this equation, and this is separable variable. Then after this, you're going to integrate and you get the value of y. So it can get the implicit, most times you get implicit function where you have function of y and x together. Now here, now we have, this is why I said this is separable variable. If you look at it, this is f of y with respect to y and f of what? F of x with respect to x. That is the x. Now here, what are we going to do? Firstly, let me try to, if I do cross multiplication, x will multiply this, we go to have x dy, and then y will multiply this, we have y dx. All right, so from there, the next thing we're going to do is that here, if I divide through by xy, you see that this x will cancel this x, y will cancel this y here. I'm going to be left with 1 over y dy, then equals 1 over x dx. Understood? Now, as you can see that we have transformed this equation to separable variables, because this one here we have what? Function of y, then with respect to dy, and also function of x with respect to dx, or with respect to x. Understood? From here now, the next thing to do is to integrate. Now integrating this, now we're going to have 1 over y dy, then equals 1 over x dx. Right, now if you integrate 1 over y, so what are you going to have? You're going to have ln y, then equals, integrate 1 over x, you're going to have is a standard or standard function of integration. That is, if you have what, if you had to integrate 1 over x dx, this is going to be ln what? Ln x. Understood? That is what we did here, because you integrate 1 over y, so we're going to have ln y. Then you integrate 1 over x, you're going to have ln y. Then you must add the constant of integration. That is what? That is c. All right, from there we can do something here so that we can have this result in a beautiful way. We can say let c equals ln what? Ln a. C is a constant and ln a is another constant. We can represent c to be ln a. That's from here we have ln what? Ln y equals ln what? Ln x plus the c is now replaced to be ln what? Ln a. Understood? So now from there you can see from the law of logarithm, right? If you have log a plus log b, this will be log a times what? Times b. So you have to multiply the argument together. The same thing we're going to do, we have ln y equals, now this right hand side we can combine them together by having ln a what? Ln ax. Now looking at these two sides also, we have ln here and we have ln here. Automatically you're going to have y to be equals ax. Now this is the solution. This is the solution. You can see that we have our result to be y equals ax. So we have y and we have x, right? And that's the end of the class. If you enjoyed the class, so kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. All right, follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.